This video shows you how to hide chats in the Google Messages app on Android. If you want to keep your conversations organized or remove certain chats from your main inbox without deleting them, the archive feature can help. It allows you to hide conversations while keeping all your messages safe and available whenever you need them. To get started, opening the Google Messages app. Once the app is open, scroll through your conversations and find the chat that you want to hide. Instead of deleting the conversation, simply tap and hold the chat until the options appear at the top of your screen. Now look for the archive icon, which looks like a folder with a downward arrow. Tap on this icon and the selected conversation will be moved out of your main message list. The chat is now hidden from your inbox, but don't worry. Your messages are not deleted. They are safely stored in the archived section and you can access them anytime. If you want to view your hidden or archived chats later, open the Google Messages app again. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Archived. Here you will find all the conversations you have previously hidden. To bring a chat back to your regular inbox, tap and hold the conversation inside the archived section. Then tap the Unarchive icon, which looks like a folder with an upward arrow. The conversation will instantly return to your main message list. Using the archive feature in Google Messages is a simple way to keep your inbox clean and organized without permanently removing important conversations. Whether you want to reduce clutter, manage old messages, or keep your chats private from casual viewing, this feature makes it quick and easy. That's all for this tutorial. Keep exploring your Android features and come back for more simple and practical tech tips.